Quick guide to exporting logs for DH20 and DH22. Power on the analyzer and insert a USB drive. Log in the service account and access the home page. Click on the service log option. Select the corresponding time range. It is recommended to choose logs from 3 days before and after the fault occurred totaling 7 days. For complex faults, please contact Diamind engineers to export logs for specific dates as needed. Click Export. A pop-up will indicate that the export was successful. Unplug the USB and send the document to the Diamind engineer. If you encounter any issues, please promptly contact the designated engineers. The exported logs are intended to assist engineers in their analysis. Thank you for your cooperation.